Decorating your outdoor spaces with Christmas lights is one of those traditions that instantly transforms any home into a warm, inviting, and magical place. When you add lights to your exterior decor, you're not just placing tiny bulbs around your house, you're creating an atmosphere that welcomes joy, connection, and celebration. And today, I want to talk to you about why outdoor Christmas lighting is so important, the benefits it brings, and how you can use it creatively to elevate your home this holiday season. So imagine I'm right there with you, walking through your yard, sharing ideas, inspirations, and practical tips, as if we were talking on your favorite YouTube decor channel. One of the biggest advantages of decorating with Christmas lights outdoors is the emotional impact they create. There's something almost magical about stepping outside on a December night and seeing your home glowing softly against the dark sky. Lights have a powerful way of evoking happiness, nostalgia, and warmth, not just for you but for everyone who passes by. They set the tone for the holidays, help build excitement, and create a sense of unity in the neighborhood. Even a simple string of warm white lights can make your home feel like a little beacon of joy. Another benefit of outdoor Christmas lighting is that it enhances the beauty and structure of your home. Lights can highlight architectural details you may not even notice during the rest of the year. Outlining your roofline, windows, porch, or fence helps bring out the shapes and angles of your home in a very elegant way. You can use lights to draw attention to pathways, garden beds, or decorative elements like trees and shrubs. And the best part is you're in complete control of how subtle or bold you want the effect to be. Some people love soft, warm lights that feel calm and cozy, while others prefer a more vibrant and colorful display that feels energetic and festive. Outdoor lights also make your home safer and more functional during the holiday season. With the shorter days and longer nights, your pathways, stairs, and entrances can become difficult to navigate. Adding lights in these areas helps prevent accidents and makes it easier for guests to move around when they visit. This combination of beauty and practicality is one of the reasons Christmas lighting remains such a meaningful tradition. One of the most important aspects of decorating with lights outdoors is the atmosphere it creates for gatherings. Imagine hosting friends or family and welcoming them into a glowing, beautifully lit entrance. The lights instantly make your guests feel more comfortable and excited. If you have a patio, garden, or outdoor seating area, consider adding lights there too. They create a cozy, magical space where people can talk, drink hot chocolate, or simply enjoy the night air surrounded by a festive glow. Lighting is what transforms a cold outdoor corner into a warm holiday experience. When it comes to choosing the right lights, LED options are usually the best choice. They last longer, use less electricity, and are safer because they stay cool to the touch. You can choose from warm white, cool white, multicolor, or even lights with special effects like twinkling, fading, or sparkling. The key is to match the style of your lights with the feeling you want to create. If you prefer something classy and timeless, warm white lights are perfect. If you want something playful or nostalgic, multicolor lights can make your home feel joyful and fun. Let's talk about ideas you can use to make your exterior truly stand out. One beautiful and simple technique is wrapping lights around trees. Even bare branches look amazing when they're covered in tiny sparkling bulbs. If you have larger trees, focus on wrapping the trunk and a few main branches for a dramatic but elegant effect. For smaller trees or shrubs, net lights are a great option because they give you even coverage without much effort. Another lovely idea is decorating your walkway or driveway with light stakes. These not only guide visitors to your entrance, but also create a charming runway of festive glow. You can choose classic white stakes or colorful ones depending on your preferred style. Adding lights to your porch railing, balcony, or columns is also a great way to give your home a cohesive and polished look. If you want something more creative, consider adding lighted figures like reindeer, stars, snowflakes, or gift boxes. These pieces instantly make your yard look more festive, and they're perfect for filling empty spaces. You can also hang curtain lights along a wall or fence to create a sparkling backdrop that makes your home look even more magical from afar. One trend that has become very popular is using cascading or icicle lights around the roofline or along gutters. These lights create a beautiful dripping effect that looks like shimmering frozen icicles. They're perfect if you want a winter wonderland look, especially when combined with cool white or blue tones. If you have a garden, think about using solar-powered lights. These are especially useful for areas far from outlets, and they help you extend your decorations throughout your entire yard. You can place them among plants, along borders, or around decorative elements like fountains or garden statues. As you decorate, safety should always come first. Make sure your lights are rated for outdoor use and check for any damaged wires before installing them. Use extension cords designed for outdoor conditions and avoid overloading outlets. Secure your lights properly using clips instead of nails or staples to avoid damaging your home. These small precautions make a big difference in ensuring your decorations stay beautiful and safe all season long. One of the most important things to remember when decorating with Christmas lights is that there is no right or wrong way to express your style. Some people love a minimal, elegant look with warm lights and simple outlining. Others enjoy going all out with bright colors, figures, and movement. Your home is your canvas, and the lights are your paint. The goal is to create a display that reflects your personality and makes you feel joy every time you step outside. And as you continue building your outdoor Christmas lighting display, think about how these small details come together to create something truly memorable. Sometimes it's not even about adding more lights but using them with intention. For example, placing a single spotlight on a wreath, a nativity figure, or a beautifully decorated tree in your yard can instantly elevate the overall look. Spotlights are perfect if you want to highlight key features without overwhelming the space. They bring depth and dimension, making your decorations look more professional and visually balanced. Another suggestion is to play with different textures and lighting effects. Mixing classic string lights with curtain lights, icicle lights, or even globe lights can add layers to your design. Globe lights, in particular, are wonderful for creating a warm, cozy feel. You can hang them along your porch, balcony, or even across trees to create a floating effect that feels whimsical and inviting. The idea is to combine different styles in a way that feels harmonious and reflects the spirit of the season. If you enjoy a more modern and luxurious aesthetic, consider incorporating lights with gold or soft champagne tones. These shades look incredibly elegant and give your home a refined and sophisticated glow. You can pair them with natural elements like pine garlands, eucalyptus branches, or frosted accents to create a beautiful contrast between nature and light. For those who prefer something playful and nostalgic, multicolor lights paired with classic decorations like candy canes, stars, and glowing gift boxes create a cheerful and vibrant atmosphere that brings back childhood memories. Remember that outdoor Christmas lights aren't limited to your home structure. You can use them on fences, gazebos, pergolas, and even garden edges. If you have a small bench, a decorative ladder, or a rustic wooden sled, adding lights to these pieces can make them stand out as charming focal points in your yard. The key is to look at your outdoor space with fresh eyes and imagine how each area can be enhanced with a touch of sparkle. Another wonderful idea is creating lighted silhouettes along your garden wall or fence. These can be stars, Christmas trees, angels, or snowflakes. They're simple, elegant, and visible even from a distance. If you live in a place where it doesn't snow, these lighted shapes bring that winter feeling to your outdoor decor without needing real frost or snowflakes. A great way to make your lighting display feel even more magical is by integrating lights into natural elements. For example, if you have bushes or hedges, covering them with net lights creates a clean, uniform glow that looks incredibly polished. If you have stone pathways or garden borders, weaving fairy lights along the edges adds a magical touch that feels straight out of a winter storybook. If you want to create depth and dimension, try layering lights at different heights. Start with lights on the ground or low bushes, then add lights around mid-level elements like shrubs or window frames, and finally place lights higher up on trees, roof lines, or tall structures. This layered effect makes your display look fuller, more balanced, and more visually captivating. Timers are another useful tool that many people overlook. Adding timers to your lights makes your entire setup much more convenient. You won't have to remember to plug or unplug your lights every day. Instead, they'll turn on and off automatically at the time you choose. This not only saves energy but also ensures your home always looks beautifully lit every evening without any extra effort. If you're thinking about sustainability or saving on electricity, solar-powered lights are an excellent option. They charge during the day and turn on at night, creating a beautiful glow without adding to your electricity bill. These are especially helpful for garden areas, pathways, or places that are far away from outlets. Combined with energy-efficient LED lights, you can create a stunning display that's both beautiful and eco-friendly. As you design your outdoor lighting, consider how it looks from different angles. Walk to the sidewalk, the street, or even across the road to see how your home appears to others. This helps you identify areas that look too dark, too bright, or imbalanced. Sometimes a small adjustment like moving a string of lights or adding one more garland can make a big difference. And here's something very important to keep in mind. Your Christmas lights don't have to be perfect. The beauty of decorating lies in the joy it brings you and those around you. Some people prefer clean, perfectly aligned lights, while others love a more organic, free-flowing look. What matters is that your display feels personal, meaningful, and full of holiday spirit. Outdoor Christmas lights also create long-lasting memories for families. Kids especially remember the glow of lights during their childhood. Whether it's the excitement of helping you decorate, the warmth of seeing the house lit up for the first time, or the joy of driving around the neighborhood to admire different displays, lights play a big role in shaping holiday traditions. Your home becomes part of those cherished memories, both for your family and for everyone who sees it. The importance of decorating with lights goes beyond aesthetics. Lights symbolize hope, brightness, and celebration during a season that brings people together. In many ways, your outdoor display becomes a gift to anyone who passes by. It spreads joy, inspires others, and contributes to the festive atmosphere that makes the holidays feel so special. And finally, decorating with lights is a beautiful way to connect with the people around you. Whether it's neighbors passing by, kids from the neighborhood pointing out your decorations, or friends visiting during the holidays, your lights bring smiles, spark conversations, and make your home feel like part of something bigger. In a season that celebrates togetherness, kindness, and warmth, your outdoor lighting becomes a small but meaningful contribution to the joy of the community. So if you're planning to decorate your home this year, embrace the creative process. Try new combinations, explore different colors, mix various types of lights, and most importantly, have fun with it. Every bulb you place adds a little more magic, and every sparkle creates a memory not just for you, but for everyone who gets to enjoy the beauty of your outdoor Christmas display. So as you prepare for this Christmas season, enjoy the process of bringing your outdoor spaces to life. Choose lights that match your style, experiment with new ideas, mix different textures, and don't be afraid to get creative. Your home has the potential to shine beautifully, and with just a bit of effort and imagination, you can transform your exterior into a glowing celebration of warmth, joy, and holiday spirit.